Trying to spoof Pokémon Go on Android? Here's what you need to know. Older tools like fake GPS location only work on older versions of Android. If it's not in the Google Play Store, it means your Android version doesn't support it. Even then, you'll often get error 12, failed to detect location, and Niantic's 2025 anti-cheat catches spoof attempts fast. If fake GPS is installed, enable developer options in your settings and set it as the mock location app. Because teleport-only apps are risky and outdated, consider a smarter option instead. MagFone Location Changer works on Android 6 to Android 15. Run game mode, select Pokémon Go. Change location mode. Teleport instantly anywhere by dragging the pin on the map and clicking Start Modifying. Great for quick exploration or raids in another city. Two-spot mode. Set a start and end point. Choose a walking, biking, or driving speed. MagFone simulates the movement naturally, perfect for hatching eggs or finding rare Pokémon. Multi-spot mode. Plot a full walking route with multiple waypoints. You'll look like you're taking a scenic walk, ideal for events or spawn zones. Jump teleport mode. Want to change locations instantly between different regions? This mode helps you complete tasks in multiple cities, without triggering detection. Joystick mode. Move manually in any direction with the on-screen joystick. Control speed in real time, super handy when you're trying to sneak into gyms or navigate specific spawn points. It boosts safety with built-in cooldown alarms and route plotting to avoid bans. Spoof smarter, not harder.